I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Fun killer, fun killer, fun killer.
I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, never.
Fun killer, fun killer, fun killer.
I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, never.
Fun killer, fun killer, fun killer.
I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, never.
Fun killer, fun killer, fun killer.
I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark. I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips.
Good morning, guys. So today is another day of the weekly vlog, and I'm actually not going to work, so I'll just spend the day around the house doing 1 2 1 2. Let me just close the door. There is a bit of background noise. Okay, so I hope that's a bit better. So okay, there is also some noise from outside now, just outside my door. So there's some cleaning happening there, so they're washing the stairs. So if you just hear some brushes passing through, please bear with us. Yeah, so welcome again to this channel. Thank you for watching till this far. And yeah, so guys, I've just woken up. I have a lot to do. So yesterday I went to get some shopping done, and I've not yet sorted out everything, and I've not arranged anything yet. So I want to first do a haul. So that video is already up, so if you haven't watched it, please go back and watch the haul. Yeah, so that will be first before this one. So make sure if you're coming across this one first, make sure to go and watch the monthly haul video. Yeah, so guys, let's just get to it. I'm just going to wash the fridge, just do a little of cleaning, because well, it's been a minute since I had to clean it. Another thing I'm going to do is also clean the bathroom shelf, so that when I arrange everything there, everything can just look good. What else? Yeah, apart from that, is just clean a few utensils I have here. But first, let me just film the shopping haul, and then we get back to, yeah, I'll just come, let me just finish the shopping haul, then I get back to you guys. Okay, cheers, bye. So guys, a little backstory. So I have this creative Bible which requires some little drawing here and there. So that's why I bought this. Actually, I went to Miniso to just get this. So let me just show you. So this is a set of colors in different colors. I think they're about 10. I don't know. So I bought this. It was at, I guess, 100 and something. So I got this for coloring, yeah. And also I came across this. So this, I was just going for the colors though, but I came across this. So this is a mask applicator. So it comes with an applicator here at only 99. I think the price is even somewhere here. Okay, guess the, oh yeah, here, 99 bob. So it comes with an applicator and also this brush, as you can see. Very nice. It will come in handy for my skincare. Let me just remove it from the paper and then show you. So guys, as you can see, the fridge is clean and now I'll start arranging. So I had this thing I usually use to put my sauces and a few different things. I got this from, what is it called, Pandamat, yeah, and I wish I got more because it has been really functional. So I went there the other day but they didn't have another one, so I'm planning on going to China Square to see if I'll get more, because not all my sauces are here. So if I get another one to just put it here, it will be so nice. But let me just arrange everything now and then I'll show you how it turns out. Sawa. Okay guys, the fridge part is good to go. As you can see, I just love how it turned out. So the fridge part is good to go. Now I'm just going to do the freezer and show you the final result. Yeah. Okay, so for this one there is nothing much going on because I'm yet to go to the butchery and get some meat, but I just have some ice cream, beef broth, the doubles that I got, the chicken pops that I had, and the sausages. I use this tray to put in my ice cube and just scoop, which is easier. And yeah, that's just it. So guys, I'm taking a break, and I wanted to enjoy this thing, but I think it melted yesterday when I was coming home because it looks like I don't know. Yeah, but it's at least frozen. So yeah, let me just enjoy this as I take a little break. Then I get to now cleaning the bathroom shelf as I do what? As I finish up. Yeah, as I arrange it. Yeah, you get what I mean. Yeah, so yeah, let me enjoy this.
Funk killer, funk killer, funk killer.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, never.
Funk killer, funk killer, funk killer.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over.
So I'm done with just clearing everything apart from that. So I'm going to work on that after lunch. I'm really exhausted and really hungry, and yeah, but I love the fact that I'm done with everything. So I'm just going to do the utensils as I make lunch. So I'm going to try out this air fryer that I got, and we'll try it together. And yeah, I'm so excited about this. So let's see how it turns out. Yeah.
Funk killer, funk killer, funk killer.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, never.
Funk killer, funk killer, funk killer.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your
You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did well by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mindless you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My oh, don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow,
Okay, so it's just cleaning this and I'm good to go. I just love how cooking with an air fryer doesn't give you like a lot of utensils to clean, because imagine it's just this and I'm done. Yeah, so I'm also enjoying the food with a glass of, what is this, apple juice. Yeah, okay, so this is what I'm having. I decided to add a little bread just in case I don't like nisishiba, you know. And then hapa kuna two sausages, and then these are smokies actually, and then nimetengeneza a bit of sauce because chipo si mop. And yeah, that's just my lunch and looks good. I like it. Yeah,
I did what I got when they kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you remain, you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My don't cry yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too
So this is my breakfast. I'm having leftover eggs. So yesterday I made eggs with skuma and ugali. I didn't show you that because I was exhausted. I didn't feel like vlogging, so I just ate and slept. So I remained with a few. That's what I'm having with my my bread. Of course I have to hydrate and some tea, and yeah, that's just it. Good morning, beautiful people. So I'm thinking of ending this vlog here. So I'm very grateful for everyone that has stayed up to the end. Make sure to watch my previous vlogs if you haven't, to subscribe, also like this video, share and comment so that we can, you know, grow together. So I'm planning to head out, but I'll be showing the activities that I'm going to do today at the next vlog, so make sure to, yeah, keep waiting for that, yeah guys. So I'm so grateful for everyone that have like everyone that has been supporting my content. Yeah guys, I am just heading to the shower, take a shower and then leave. I think it's around 9. My plan is to leave at around 11. Yeah, so I have an appointment then. So yeah, so I'll see you on the next ones. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting me, and yeah, cheers guys, bye.